Today I'm going to talk about why superannuation tax breaks are super silly. Here to help me is my assistant, Mr. Pointyhead. He used to work at the Reserve Bank. That's the place my dad says naughty words about when interest rates go up. All workers get a part of their salary paid into superannuation for their retirement. That's so fewer people need the age pension, which is not a lot of money. My nana's on the age pension, and for my birthday, she could only buy me one glove. She said she'll buy me the other one for Christmas. The government gives tax breaks on money that goes into our super, but the more money you make, the bigger the tax breaks.
Wait, that's upside down, Miss Jane.
Exactly, Mr. Pointyhead. Our tax breaks are wasted on the wealthy who don't need them, which is super silly. But if we turn this the right side up, we could give the tax breaks to everyday Australians instead. Then people can rely less on the pension, and more nanas can buy their grandkids 2 gloves for their birthday. Also, the Department of Treasure would save billions, which could help fund our schools and hospitals. Now, I think Mr. Pointyhead has a friend with something to say about all this.
Thank you, Miss Jane. I have 3 benchmarks for good policy: competence for a strong economy, compassion for vulnerable members of the community, and fairness for all, not least in taxation. Our super tax breaks fail on all 3 counts. Billions of dollars are wasted on these poorly targeted tax breaks. This needs to stop. Join the campaign to make the super of the future fair.
Bernie, that was super smart. You know, I might promote you my senior assistant.
Super.